Do you know you need vitamin C for your hair? Don't miss this video for anything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia, and I'm here again just because this is something I love to do. This is something I love to do. I really want to share everything I know about herbs with you guys. I don't want you guys to go through all the things I've gone through, suffering from hair loss, itchy scalp, dandruff, name them, until I began to read wild and I got to know about how herbs can help you to grow your hair very fast and long. So today we are going to be using orange fruit. So this fruit actually contains vitamin C, which can help you reduce dandruff, also help you to reduce hair loss. So if you've been suffering from dandruff, itchy scalp and hair loss, and you've tried all the remedies here on YouTube and they're not working for you, then this is the solution for you. So I am presenting to you orange peels oil. So you can decide to do it as a shampoo. You can use it for a shampoo or oil, or even a tea, hair rinse tea, but I prefer oil because that one will be able to massage it deep into your scalp. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sylvia and I teach you how to use herbs for your hair growth. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any video from me in the future. If you're already a G, welcome back. Don't forget to like and share this video. Guys, show me some love, please. Help your girl reach some level. At least let guys encourage me to do more, to bring more out here. Your likes are not encouraging at all, and I would love to hear from you guys too in the comment section. So continuing, we are going to be using sunflower oil for this. You can decide to use any other oil, any other hair oil, but then I prefer sunflower oil because it will help you to know how your orange peels has dissolved into the oil. So it is not by force to use orange or orange peel. I mean the color orange or yellow orange peels. You can use the green one if you want. Orange is orange. They all contain vitamin C. So guys, this is all I have for you today. Until I see you guys next time with another exciting video idea. Don't forget to keep sharing this video so we get new subscribers and I'll bring up more things here. Bye.